Shalom! In today's video, we'll be going over vocabulary that has to do with clothes and fashion. So without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. בגד, 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 which means a single piece of clothing. בגדים, 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 which means clothes. גרביים, 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 which means socks. תחתונים, 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 which means underwear. מכנסיים, 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 which means pants. חולצה, 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 which means a shirt. חולצה מכופתרת, חולצה מכופתרת, חולצה מכופתרת, which means a button shirt. חולצת פולו, חולצת פולו, חולצת polo, which means a polo shirt. חליפה, 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 which means a suit. חצאית, 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 which means a skirt. kova, 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 which means a hat. kova צמר, kova צמר, kova צמר, which means a beanie hat. צעיף, 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 which means a scarf. עניבה, 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 which means a necktie. מעיל, 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 which means a coat. סוודר, 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 which means a sweater. פיג'מה, 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 which means pajamas. כפפות, 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 which means gloves. גופייה, 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 which means undershirt. בגד ים, בגד ים, בגד ים, which means a swimsuit. כפכפים, 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 which means flip-flops. מגפיים, 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 which means boots. נעלי בית, נעלי בית, נעלי בית, which means slippers. תכשיטים, 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 which means jewelry. מכנסי ג'ינס, מכנסי ג'ינס, מכנסי ג'ינס, which means jeans pants. סנדלים, San da lim, sandalim, which means sandals. Naalay akev, naalay akev, naalay akev, which means high-heeled shoes. Tik yad, tik yad, tik yad, which means a handbag. Arnak, 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 which means a purse. Mizvada, 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 which means a suitcase. Aron, bgadim, aron, bgadim, aron, bgadim, which means a closet. Please let me know in the comments below if there is anything specific that you would like to learn. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so you would be the first to know when I release more videos. For now, תודה שצפיתם, thank you for watching, and להתראות. Goodbye.